Hello everyone, this is Parveen Sandhu, Assistant Professor at RPIT College, Karnal, Prastada. Today I am here to discuss a topic posology. What is posology? Posology, the word posology is derived from the Greek word poso, meaning how much, and logos means science. So we can say that posology is a branch of science of medical science which deals the dose of quantity of drug which can be administered to a patient to get the desired pharmacological actions. There are some factors which can influence posology. These are age, body weight, gender, route of administration, time of administration, environmental factor, presence of disease, additive effect, idiosyncrasy, tolerance. Let's discuss all one by one. Age. The pharmacokinetics of many drugs change with the age. So, while determining the dose of a drug, the age of the individual is a great significance. Children and old age people need lesser amount of drug than the normal adult dose. Next one is body weight. Generally recommended adult dose are based on a normal body weight of 70 kg, but such a dose less for a muscular person weighing 100 kg and too large for a weak person weighing about 50 kg. Next factor is gender. Generally females require lesser dose than male because of their lesser weight and also due to the reason that they are more responsive to the effect of certain drug than male. Next we discuss route of administration. As we know that IV dose of drug are usually smaller than the oral dose because the drug administered through IV enter the bloodstream directly. Time of administration is the next factor. The presence of food in the stomach delay the absorption of drug. So the amount of drug which is very effective when taken before meal may not be that much effective when taken during or after the meal. Environmental factor is our next factor. Daylight is a stimulating, enhancing the effect of stimulating drug, and darkness is sedative, so hypnotic are more effective at night. Next we discuss presence of disease. Drugs are more effective in disease condition than normal body condition. During fever, one can tolerate high dose of paracetamol than in a normal condition. Now next factor is additive effect. When the total effect of a two drug is just equal to the sum of their individual effect, it is known as additive effect. Idiosyncrasy is the next factor which can affect posology. All persons do not respond alike to the same drug due to the varied individual identity. Some may produce abnormal reaction to a drug whereas some may not. Tolerance. When a drug in an ordinary dose fails to produce normal therapeutic effect and required large dose of a drug to normal effect is called drug. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our RPT channel. Thank you.